Isa sa mga prime business location sa southern area ng Metro Manila ay ang BF Homes Parañaque. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga requirements at regulations na pinapatupad nila dito? Yan ang ating aalamin ngayon. Dinadayo ang mga restaurants at iba't ibang business establishments dito sa BF Homes. Sakop ng subdivision ang ibang parts ng syudad ng Las Piñas, Muntinlupa at Parañaque. Tinanong namin sa Village Administrator ng United BF Homeowners Association Incorporated na si Dr. Maria Teresa Calderon kung ano ang mga rules at restrictions ng paglalagay ng business sa loob ng kanilang village.
United BF Homeowners Association Incorporated is a federation. We have 72 enclaves that are members. So primarily the association regulates the gates, entry, establishes some peace, security, maintenance of the main roads. We're very happy because then at least now we can also regulate the kind of businesses that are going to be put up.
Kahit hindi residente ng BF Homes ay pwede magtayo ng negosyo dito. Kung ikaw ay nagbabalak, kailangan mo munang pumunta sa kanilang opisina.
It's very easy. All you have to do is, if you want to put up your business, you come to our clubhouse. We have people who are in charge, and you don't even need, it's not so difficult. You don't even need the endorsement of a local association. Just as long as the business is along Aguirre and El Grande, and we're going to help you. And then we have all the do's and don'ts in terms of what type of business to set up. Kasi there's certain roads which are protected. Purely residential area. So, along Aguirre, along El Grande, when you put up your business there, we require you to get a business clearance from the association.
Dahil sa zoning rules na ipinapatupad sa mga syudad, may mga negosyo na hindi mo pwedeng itayo sa loob ng subdivision.
The businesses that are not allowed here are like vulcanizing shops, junk shops, car wash, beer houses, certain refilling stations, sand dealers, machine shops, markets, which are outside our gates.
May required fee para sa permit na nire-renew annually. Ang rental fees naman ay hindi kasama sa nire-regulate ng association. Kahit may mga rules ng pinapatupad sa business zones ng village, mayroon pa rin mga problema silang na-encounter.
Some have been able to get away with it, like Elizalde, but now we're rather strict. So if it's in the early stage, there's one case, along Elizalde. He put up an entire business there. We've been able to close it down. So what we can just do is lodge a complaint with the city and tell them not to issue their permits next time, Parang iso-zoning na lang namin, di ba? In terms of our drainage, yan, yung flooding, we have to address that kasi BF Homes was intended to be a residential area. So the drainage system was not designed for commercial use, and now you have all these big buildings, Second, security. It is really a problem, So that is why what has happened is there are few residents na along these main roads. Most of them have sold it.
Ayon kay Dr. Calderon, malaki ang advantage ng BF Homes as a business location.
It's a great place. You have a great community. Why? Your market is not only BF Homes. You have people from Alabang Hills, you have people from Las Piñas, and as I've said, people from Makati come here just for the best business, I guess, is good food, reasonable, good food. All right, that has been quite successful here in Iloilo.